On my last video, I unboxed this Logitech G915 TKL wireless gaming keyboard, and I gotta update you guys about what happened. Yesterday, I tried to troubleshoot it again, see if I can get it to actually be recognized by the G-Hub software, and the damn thing just wouldn't work. It just had me baffled, and I was just sitting there like, I can't believe I spent $230 on a keyboard just not to be able to use it how I want to use it. So you guys know me if you know me. I ain't taking that lying down lightly. So you know what I did? I went to Best Buy this morning and I exchanged it for a new one. And I was hoping and praying to God that this new one will actually work. And luckily it does. So I don't know if you guys can actually see my screen or see the keyboard anyway, but I'll stand the keyboard up so you can see it. I'm just gonna go through some effects real quick so you can see that it's working, right? So this is supposed to be color wave. This is supposed to be breathing. We got ripple here, starlight. So y'all can see that it's working. If I'm going to buy a beautiful gaming keyboard such as this, I can't also have a mouse that's trash like this mouse right here. So it got me thinking. It was like, okay, I'm kind of tight on budget. I already spent $230 on this keyboard right here. I don't have a lot of money to get the wireless gaming keyboard that I want, but there should be a budget option. And so I was looking around the store and I actually found this thing. This is the Logitech G203. Yes, it is a wired gaming mouse, but I'm gonna be unboxing this today. Before I begin, I would love for you guys, as always, to make sure you like this video, and if you're new, just subscribe. Let's go. Alright guys, so today I decided to do the unboxing from my desk. You know I want to give my videos a different look. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this really quickly. Let's see what we got. I always have trouble opening this. I don't know why. Every time. So annoying. We got our little Logitech paper. Put that to the side real quick. So before I plug in the mouse, I'm gonna do a comparison between my old mouse and let you guys see the difference. Bullshit, good shit. Bullshit, good shit. It doesn't even have two things over here or anything. It's just so generic. So I'm so happy to upgrade. So let me just put that to the side somewhere. I know y'all see that. This is what you get for a $30 mouse. It's really smooth. It's really clicky. I like it. The G-Hub automatically recognized it. Let me just move the camera up so you can see it. See that? So I think I'm good. I think I'm good. And I think I'm going to end it there. This wasn't supposed to be a long video at all. I just really wanted to unbox it really quick, show you guys. But thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to leave a like on this video. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. This is La. Till next time.